Equivalent fractions. What are equivalent fractions? Well, fractions that look different but still represent the same part of a whole. For example, if I give this a circle, that's one circle. Okay, if we have a next circle here, the second circle, consider that both of them are perfect circles and of same size and everything. Now, if I split the circle in half and then I split the circle here in 4 parts, consider that first of all they were circle of the same size, and let's say I shade this one here 2 parts and I shade this one here 1 part. Aren't they both shaded the same amount of space? Yes, they are. Therefore they said to be equivalent in shading, or in other words, they are both of them equal. How would we express this in a fraction? This would be 1 part out of 2. How would we express this as a fraction? 2 parts out of 4. These both are equivalent fraction. They look different, but they still represent the same part of a whole. Okay, so I have used a circle to represent this. We can use a box likewise. So let's consider, a rectangle. Let's take this rectangle and I make another rectangle almost the same size. Consider that both of them are perfectly square and everything, and so we divide them into equal parts. Okay, I'm not measuring their distances apart, we're just taking that all of them are of equal distances. So let's say I shade here, I'm going to use a different color so you can see it. I'm going to use blue. Let me zoom into that. And so I shade here 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so here I have shaded 4 parts. Right now here on the other hand, let's say, so this is 4 parts out of how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 out of 6 parts. So 4 parts have been shaded out of 6. Now here we have the same amount of lines down, but let's say we split this across this way. Now how many parts do we have here? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This has 24 parts. All right, and let's say we shade this now, all of these. So that all of them have been shaded. Here we have now 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 16 parts out of 24 shaded. These are equivalent fractions. They have the same amount of space, shade on both of them. All right, so here we have equivalent fractions. Here we have equivalent fractions using 2 different methods. Okay, so that's all you need to know for this part of equivalent fractions.